All right, so here we have an old car, all right, and I don't have Bluetooth at all in this car. There's no Bluetooth or any kind of connection towards my car. Charging, there's only one area for lighter, but now I have a Type C and a Type A to charge. Now you could change the channel on this thing because the frequency that defaulted is probably not available in your digital clock or your digital radio. You got to make sure that you could change it and manually change the actual frequency so you can actually reach out to this knob is very simple too. I like the knob. There's a answer phone calls, next call, next play, next button, and you have a jack here, a 3.5 jack for the auxiliary. So if you have auxiliary, you could set that up. So right now we're just going to set it up, and I already set up a frequency here, and we're going to check the Bluetooth because I do have a Bluetooth on my phone here. We're going to change the frequency to the actual radio. We have it at 87.7 right now. I already pre-programmed it to 87.7. If you guys can see, it's not blinking no more because I have it set up on my Bluetooth. So I could play music from my Bluetooth to my phone, from my phone to my Bluetooth automatically, and I could answer phone calls from the system to my phone too. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and call somebody and see if they can answer the phone. And we're gonna put the volume up higher. There you go. And we're able to use that as a mic in the system.
Hello?
Works. All right, now can you hear me? Testing 1 2 3.
Yes, I could hear you the first time. You just couldn't hear me.
Okay, it's working. I'm just doing a video right now testing the actual system. All right, thank you very much.
All right.
Bye. Great thing about it, if you want to play your music on your actual car, all you have to do is play the music on your car in your phone. You can do that. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it. We don't want to get monetized or anything like that, but just to let you know, it's connecting perfectly. I'm at 87.7. that's the frequency I am on the actual radio. Now there's a call coming in. We're gonna answer the call. Testing, what's up? The call came in. I was able to receive the call. It has a microphone in there. The speakers, I use the car speakers. They're working very well, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe